overlooked the sunset, but we faced the other way. It was cold, but our voice was shot, and downstairs they were packing it in. So we toughed it out, placing bets on planes as they rose above the bay. And I was gonna bring her apples when she was in need, after I'd sucked the cyanide from the seeds. I was gonna bring her apples. There were complaints and the police came, but we left no shred of proof. And as we leapt from roof to roof, she said she'd be my alibi. And when I said I'd do the same, she just smiled, said she wasn't the type to get caught. But when I kissed her forehead, it was hot. She was shivering against the night sky. Now I'm gonna bring her apples when she's in need, after I suck the cyanide from the seeds. I'm gonna bring her apples. I'm not trying to change you. I'm not trying to change you. I'm not trying to change you. I was never trying to change you. No, we met on a rooftop, swimming up for oxygen. It overlooked the sunset, but we faced the other way. You were cold, but your voice was shot, and downstairs they were packing it in. So we toughed it out, placing bets on planes as they rose above the bay. But I'll have extra air for you anytime you start to drown. Keep you warm when the sun rises and reaching through your door. I'll give you a number to count up to when we're touching down. I'll bring you apples when your throat is sore.